In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your LinkedIn account permanently. Whether you're simplifying your online presence, switching careers, or you simply want to remove your profile for privacy reasons, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the homepage, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for Settings and Privacy and click on it. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, LinkedIn will take you to the main settings dashboard. On the left side, you'll see several categories. Click on Account Preferences. Once you're inside, scroll down until you find an option called Account Management. This is where LinkedIn keeps all the tools for deactivation and deletion. Under Account Management, click on Close Account. You'll now see a page explaining what happens when you permanently delete your LinkedIn profile. Your connections, messages, endorsements, and all activity will be removed. If you're sure you want to continue, click Continue at the bottom. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Before deleting your account, make sure you've downloaded your profile data if you need a backup. You can do this from the Data Privacy section. Doing it beforehand can save you time and help prevent losing important information. Once you click Continue, LinkedIn will ask you to choose a reason for closing your account. Select the one that fits your situation, then click Next. After that, LinkedIn will ask you to enter your password to confirm that it's really you requesting the deletion. This step keeps your information safe and prevents unauthorized account closures. After entering your password, click on Close Account, and that's it. Your account will begin the permanent deletion process. LinkedIn usually gives you a short window to reactivate if you change your mind, but once that period passes, your profile and data will be removed completely. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to delete your LinkedIn account permanently, easily, and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?